Yes, so it's my humble honor once again to come to you, to talk to you on this few topic. A minute. Yes, I'm back. So day in, day out, I've been getting this message and calls, and I think I need to let it out straight up, because I always say before you conclude, you must be able to tell yourself that I've arrived at a point where you can give the right judgment to whatever you are doing or whatever you said you want to do. So I want you to know that in this industry, the main topic is I want you to understand, really understand before you conclude. You must understand before you conclude. The past few minutes, I posted something like that. Why am I talking about this? I work with corporate, fully engaged, fully employed. I've been working for the past 13, 14 years. Not fully 14, but and along the line, I started a business. So today, I want you to know that my major business I start. I have my own reasons for starting, and I know you all have your own reasons. You need to judge according to your experience, what you want in life, your goals, your aspirations, and stuff like that. Now, I choose network marketing as a part-time business. And people keep telling me that they are day in, day out, there's this topic, like these things don't work, people chastise us, people, just like I've been saying, just like any other business. Mr. Wisdom, I salute you too. Just like any other business, what you need to know about this industry is that there's job involved and there's a work you must do. So if you come into this arena with a mindset, or somebody telling you that just join, tomorrow you become a billionaire, my brothers and sisters, there's work involved. That's what is network marketing. There's work, and it's not net seat marketing, not net invest marketing, not net sleep marketing, not net gossip marketing. It's network. There's work inside the net, the whole sentence, the whole phrase. So people join us and they are not seeing results. I don't know what the guy, the lady, the gentleman, the woman who told you to join this company, or whatsoever the company has you are joining promised you. I'm doing this for the love of the industry, for the love of the message. And I want you to know that this and the things I learned personally that other people are also learning. In fact, you discover these things through this industry. There's work involved. I want you to know that. If you join this industry, forget about the company, forget about whatever company you are joining. See, I want you to know that before you get to your job site, before wherever you are looking for job at, look at the top earner in that company. Look at the biggest person in that company and take a look at their lives. When I studied the network marketing industry, a home-based business marketing industry, I look up to people who made it to the top, who are making $1 million, 1 million Ghana cedi, 2 million Ghana cedi. Some makes not less than 70,000, 80,000, 50,000 Ghana cedi a week. So it's not a joke when someone is telling you that I will give you a free trip to wherever you want to go, a scholarship to study for free, and you think you can just sleep and get it. No, these are some of the things you are going to learn through this business. You will be forced to learn to become a public speaker. You will discover all these things. These things are hidden in you. The main reason I love this industry so much is that it pushes you to learn. That is why only few people made it to the top. 3% out of the 100%. The difference between the 3% and the 97% people is what I'm telling you. So if you watch this video today, share with the whole community of the Facebook community, with the youth of Africa, Ghana, wherever you are watching it from. If you are not ready to put in the work here, please don't join, and don't go and badmouth it that the thing don't work. You've not even understand the thing. You don't even know what the people are doing, but you say that you are saying that the thing is not working. You get a point. You don't know what the thing, you don't know how the thing works. You will be forced to be a public speaker. Will learn negotiation skills to close a prospect to join your business. You need to learn how to negotiate. We don't just chase people, we don't hunt people to join us. That's why you force other people to join your business, and when they join 2, 3, 4 days, they quit. You see your website, your back office, you have a lot of people, but they are not producing. You need to learn. We learn negotiation skills. We learn marketing management, how to market our organization. We learn people manage. You need to manage people. You need people. Some have egos. Somebody know that he's hungry. He doesn't have food to eat, but he's expecting you to come and beg him that there's training. Come and do this. You will make money. Come and no. You will learn how to manage people. We are project managers. We learn project management. When you wake up in the morning, you know that this is my project for the week is to raise 5 people to produce this sales, is to raise 3, 4, 5 people to get this thing done. So it's your project. You need to break it down. Then you need to know your daily, your hour, daily from your every minute what you're supposed to be doing, every hour, every week, every month. So you learn project management. You see how I'm talking to you? I was not born to talk like this. I didn't learn all these things from any classroom, but this industry has pushed me to learn communication skills. I might not be good at it, but I know I am learning something. I know I am on the way to somewhere. I learn how to sell. People say, oh, me, I can't sell. You are selling your ideas to your boss. That is why your boss will collect a lot of 10,000 people. You do small, you do small, you do small. You are giving your boss about 30,000, 50,000 hours a day. But you are lying to yourself that you have 24 hours. Even these 24 hours, you work only 8 hours, 10 hours out of it. And you are expecting to make the biggest. It's not what you make, is what I want to talk about today. Today, I just want you to know that what we are telling you, what you heard your friend told you, there's work involved. And these are the things you should be ready to learn out of. You should be ready to learn that you need. Now you need to make up your mind that you are going to learn a research method. You'll be a financial manager. You will learn financial management. When you make money out of your business, how to use the money. And that's why a lot of people join our industry. They make a lot of money, and 2, 3, 4, 5 years, they go broke. Money in your account doesn't make you rich. We are not preaching only riches here. We are preaching being wealthy. When you are wealthy, you know how to make money. You know how to make that money work for you, to multiply that money. And then you now know how to keep the money. So this industry will force you to go out there, to go and learn these things. Now, you learn to treat people diplomacy. You have to learn diplomacy. You don't just chase people on the street. Hey, come and do this. Hey, no. The diplomacy you will learn. You will learn leadership. The major currency in Ghana, in the world, in Africa, is leadership. Everybody that gets involved in this industry, if that person is not ready to become a leader, you see the difference. You go online, just type the top earners in the whole world, or even top earners in our industry. Follow those people on the internet. Follow them, YouTube, everywhere. You will see their command of leadership, how they lead people. They know where they are taking people to. No, you can take anybody at all, but let the people know where you are taking them to. If you are not ready to lead people, if you are not ready to even lead yourself, how can you lead people? These are the things. So people join and they are not ready to lead. They just, people want to follow. Everything, do for me. Everything, what can I do? Everything, how do I do it? You should sit and now train yourself to become a leader. You are going to learn conflict management. You have an organization of 10 people. This guy is not liking this person. You call them for training, they don't want to sit by each other. How are you going to manage them? How are you going to conflict among your team? This guy said, I brought this prospect. Later, he saw it. Another guy saw the prospect, met the prospect here, and then he ended up registering that prospect. And this partner came to you and said, this prospect belongs to me, and this partner took it. The people are all under you, but they are in different groups or different legs. If you are a novice and you are watching this and you are not ready to enter and sacrifice, how do you solve this problem? How do you manage the conflict in your team? Leadership. We learn how to treat our customers good. You got product from me, even if I sampled you a free product and you go and you are using the product, I have to follow you up. I have to call you. I have to find out from you what is going on. Where did you use the product? I bet you some people don't value free things. You sample people free product and they won't even use it. I bet you they will not use it. So some of them, you call them, oh, please, have you used, I was able to use the product. How is it like? Did you like, oh, I'm sorry, oh, I even forgotten to use the product. If you had not followed up, how would they know that? Would they know that you are doing, you are to let them join and use the product? People don't value free things. Now, another thing we are going to learn when we are involved in a business is customer care, relationship, etiquette, how to talk to people, how to treat people, how good manners. I remember during my day in primary schools, we have a book, Courtesy for Boys and Girls. These are the things we learn from our business. So you must know what it entails before you make a decision. You will learn international relations. A lot of people are online who are not in my country. I need to know their time zones, when they wake up, how to connect them. Because I'm in Ghana and it's 4 o'clock, doesn't mean that it's 4 o'clock worldwide and somebody is in America or Liberia, Japan, and then I have to be sending them message and be expecting them to reply me. Now, you will learn how to use social media. Social media, some people are making billions of dollars out of social media, but my people, lack of wisdom. They are only on social media to take selfie, to post pictures, I was saying that if you can pray all day, go to your pastor, your prophet, do you have a word for me? The prophet said you'll be rich every day, you'll be rich tomorrow. Then you go home, you use the same data and use your data, you use your phone, and the only thing you do is selfie. Then all again, you go back to that same prophet, give me a word. Please stop disturbing God with your financial freedom, breakthrough, prayer topics, because there are a lot of things around you that you can make money out of. They can show you, the prophet can show you all the strategies, but he cannot do it for you. He cannot do it for you. So learn how to make money on social media. You need to make money on social media. Now, when you join our business, the things you are going to learn as well is this. You are going to learn branding, how to brand yourself. Your appearance, even on Facebook, will tell somebody that this guy is serious. Your appearance, the things you post, the things you say, you are not only going to be insulting politicians on the pages, you are not going to be insulting celebrities who are having beef between themselves. You can't, does it concern you? Somebody have beef among themselves. That is their business. That's why they sell themselves. Would that put money in your pocket? Would that grow you in any way? So if it cannot grow you in any other way, any aspect of life, stop doing it. We learn taxation. We will learn how to advertise. This industry will push you to learn this thing. Psychology. I can look at you, you join my organization. I bet you, if I tell you that you will not make it, you will make it. You know, I'm not a prophet. Because of your body language, your attitude towards training, towards events, towards group activities, you won't make it, because it's not something that will fall from the heavens into your bank account. If you don't want to accept that these works are involved in what we are doing, don't join this industry. This industry can give you 15,000 Ghana cedi a week. This industry can give you a free car, a house, but there is work involved. All these things I said you will have to learn them. You will have to learn how people behave. Our biggest capital in this industry are human beings. That's why you start with any company in the industry, lesser amount, but your main capital here is the people you are going to deal with. So from today, if I hear thing from anybody saying that, oh, it doesn't work, anybody that tells you this, you are watching this video, share this video with them. When you say somebody, I'm doing this video because I just got a message from someone who told me that, let me see if I can see the message. Then I close my message for the day. I met this gentleman on LinkedIn, and then we have a chat. I don't know if you can see, can read this message. He said, I've sent him a video. I don't know if you can see this message very well. At the last part, a friend invited me, I invested in it, and I didn't get return. I didn't get my downlines. I only used the product. But who told you we share downlines? Who told you we share money anyhow? We share return. We are not investors. We are business builders. People are our capital. So all these things I mentioned, you need to come into realization and know that if you don't do these things, your business will not grow. So there is work involved. The work is, you must work on yourself first to realize that there's work involved, and then you get to work to put in that work. The business work, if you work it. Even armed robbery, which is illegal, works if they work as they are working on it. So you don't come and say these things don't go. If you want to know more, go to my YouTube channel, Team Rise Africa. Team Rise Africa. What to do to make it in this industry, what you are not supposed to do, things you do that will kill your business. If you are ready to build the business with this industry, we are ready to help you. We can motivate unmotivated people. You end up motivating unproductive people, people who only complain, people who point fingers and apportion blames. Thanks so much for watching. I want you to know that there's huge money here. This industry has transformed my life, apart from a full-time job. But there's work involved. God bless you. Have a good evening.